Tesla Model 3 2026 Sky Blue. The future just got a fresh new color, and it's turning heads everywhere. Imagine pulling up in a sleek aerodynamic electric sedan finished in a stunning sky blue shade that reflects light like the open horizon. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of innovation, performance, and modern lifestyle in the United States. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 comes with a refined exterior design that feels smoother and more aggressive at the same time. Tesla has slightly reshaped the front fascia, giving it a more minimalist look with slimmer LED headlights and improved aerodynamics. The sky blue color adds a premium feel, especially when paired with the new sport alloy wheels that enhance both looks and efficiency. Step inside and the cabin instantly feels futuristic. Tesla keeps its signature ultra-minimal interior, dominated by a large 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything, from navigation to climate control. The 2026 model introduces improved materials, softer seats, and better sound insulation, making your drive quieter and more comfortable than ever before. Ambient lighting has also been upgraded, creating a relaxing atmosphere during night drives. Performance is where this car really shines. The base rear-wheel drive model offers smooth acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.8 seconds, which is impressive for a daily sedan. But if you go for the long-range or performance variant, things get even more exciting. The long-range version delivers dual-motor all-wheel drive and a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. Meanwhile, the performance model rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.1 seconds, making it feel like a true sports car. Battery technology has also been improved in the 2026 version. Charging is faster and more efficient, especially when using Tesla's supercharger network. In just about 15 minutes, you can add up to 175 miles of range, making long-distance travel easier than ever. Tesla continues to lead in charging infrastructure across the United States, giving drivers peace of mind wherever they go. One of the biggest highlights is the software. Tesla vehicles are known for over-the-air updates, and the 2026 Model 3 takes it even further. You get continuous improvements, new features, and enhanced performance without visiting a service center. The autopilot system has also been upgraded, offering better lane keeping, smoother adaptive cruise control, and improved safety features. Full self-driving capability is still optional, but it's smarter and more responsive than previous versions. Safety remains a top priority. The Model 3 has always scored high in crash tests, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. With multiple cameras, sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems, the car actively works to prevent accidents. Features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance come standard. Now let's talk about pricing in the United States. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive is expected to start at around $38,000. The long-range version may cost approximately $45,000, while the high-performance variant could go up to $52,000 or more depending on options. The sky blue color may be offered as a premium paint option, adding a bit extra to the total price, but it's definitely worth it for the unique and eye-catching look. Another important aspect is efficiency. The Model 3 remains one of the most energy-efficient electric vehicles in its class. With low maintenance costs, no fuel expenses, and potential tax incentives in the US, owning this car becomes not just exciting but also practical. Driving experience is smooth, silent, and incredibly responsive. The instant torque of the electric motor means you get power the moment you press the accelerator. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, improves handling and stability, making every drive enjoyable whether you're in the city or on the highway. In terms of space, the Model 3 offers a decent trunk along with a front trunk, also known as a frunk. This gives you more storage than a typical sedan. The rear seats can fold down, allowing you to carry larger items when needed. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 Sky Blue isn't just about transportation. It represents the shift toward a cleaner, smarter future. It combines cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and stylish design into one complete package. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a daily commuter, or someone looking to upgrade to an electric vehicle, this car delivers on all fronts. So if you're thinking about stepping into the